Alright guys, so welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial we'll be doing just something for summer, and I know you guys will love a colorful look. For those that would want to have something colorful for the summer. So I'll be doing a summer Cutcrease. So do stay with me as we jump into the tutorial. But before then, if you've not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if this is your first time of stopping by, welcome and thank you for stopping by. And for my oldies and my old subbies, thank you for supporting me. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a huge thumbs up, and click on the notification bell down below so you get notified whenever I post my new videos. So we'll jump right into the tutorial. And as you all can see, my brows have been done off camera. My lid, I'll be using the Focallure full coverage concealer in 04 medium. Those of you who know and who are on my channel would know that I love using this concealer to prime my lids because it gives me that coverage I want. So I'll pat it in, pat. Don't be in a rush, don't be in a hurry. Take your time because you want your base to be as smooth as possible, as smooth as you can, if that makes sense. So you can see it is all blended out and smooth. Apply the same to this. I'll start with using my Morphe 35M palette. Most of you know that I love this palette a lot. Yes, I love this palette a lot because it has everything you can think of in a palette. This is how it looks, this is how it comes. So I'll be taking this shade right here. It's very dark shade right here. This is what I'll be starting with. I just want to blend that in first before packing it in. So you want to go over to make sure it is not black, it is not black, it is kind of in between indigo and purple. That's how it looks on the palette. I'm all for smoky right now. I just did a smoky look. I'll leave that up top at the top so you guys can check it out. So right here, tapping part in the same color that we used earlier on. Why is it looking like blue and it's not blue? What I'm getting here is not what is on the palette, does it? So to add some color to the look, I'll be using my Zikel 16-in-1 blush palette. I'll be using this very purpley shade here. Use that at the top. going tapping the same color. Why do I keep saying tapping? It's patting. To blend all of that, I'll be using this pinky light pink shade here. It's also a purple but it's not really catchy. Over with my blending brush. It has no product in it. Just blend that. There is no harsh line. I'm cutting my crease with the Focallure concealer in 04 medium honey. This is how it looks. For those of you that have been on my channel for long, you know I love using this Focallure product for my eye. So I put a generous amount at the back of my hands. This is how much product I have. I'll be cutting my crease with my Evita Joseph flat edge brush. I love using a cut crease. Going back into my Morphe 35 palette, I'll be using that same shade we used earlier on again, because this time you want that general to give it like that cast of smoky, not smoky feel, but not the smoky kind of. This is like you just want to blend. Going back in using this shade, I'll add a bit of this purple shade here. The Focallure Endless Possibilities palette, bright vibrancy look, and I really haven't played with this so much, so I'll be using this shade, this pinky shade. Is done. I'll do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. So now that the eyes are nicely done, they're looking seamless and beautiful. For mascara, I'll be using the Focallure mascara. I think the volume and length mascara. This is how it looks. It's pretty huge. For my lashes, I'll fix my lashes off camera, and I'll be right. For primer, I'll be using the Zaron face primer. I think it's a pore filler primer to prime my face. To settle in, to get a more mattifying look, I'll be going over with the Pond's mattifying. No, I'll be going over with the Pond's Vanishing Oil Control primer. This is a primer for very oily skin. I'll be laying a small amount over on my face. So this is the amount I'll be scooping out of this bottle, and that's what I'm going to be using. Lay it over on the parts where I tend to get oily the most, my T-zone area. You want to skip this part if you're not very oily, but for me, I have pores. My pores are extremely large. Like you can see them. Foundation, I'll be using the Focallure the Focallure Skin Evolution Foundation in 04, I think in natural. Yeah, in natural. So I've used this foundation before. It's not my shade, but this time we'd have to make it work. Dab it in, you see. It's way lighter than I am, but we would have to make it work. For a foundation that is not your actual shade, that is way lighter than you are, just I love the foundation and I couldn't get the foundation that is my shade, so I had to. Only thing is, we're gonna use a concealer that is my actual shade, so this doesn't look like we are wearing a mask, okay? Because it's already making me look like I think I'm gonna take pictures like that. The Zikel concealer, Zikel HD Full Concealer Second Skin in Caramel, to highlight my face so I don't look like a white cast, okay? For contour, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa. So now that we are all looking like a clown. You guys love this? I think I love this. Now that we are looking like a clown, let's just blend. Start with the contour. Now it's time to blend the highlight. The highlighter. To set my face, my under eye, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in Medium Deep 30. The other part of my face, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder again in Deep 35. Using this amount. My contour, I'll be using the Zikel 16-in-1 powder palette, blush and powder palette. I'll be using this shade. To blush, I'll be using the blush from the Zikel palette again, and this time I'll be using, I haven't really used the red. I feel like adding some colors. Why not use this orangey color? Using the same shade we used earlier on for the top eyes, we'll be using the same for the lower lash, lower under eye, okay, under eye, which is fine. So we're going back with the same shade. see, it has to connect this between this. There has to be a connection between here, the lower lash and the outer V. Set my face, I'll be using the Badescu Rosewater to set my face. Highlighter I'll be using is the same highlighter from the previous palette, the Dodo Girl, and this is the shade I'll be using. Using the Zaron lip liner in clay pot to line my lip. This clay pot, yes. I'll be using the NYX soft matte lipstick for my lip, or on my lip. Which one is correct? So for gloss, I'll be using the Mary Kay lip gloss in Gold Rush. I love it because it has a gold deposit in it. So I'll take this amount and apply it on. Yeah, I think I don't really have much happening there, but this is the finished look. Thank you guys for staying put, for staying with me, and thank you for watching and enjoying this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment in the comment section to comment how you feel about this look. And if you guys want me to film another look or whatever look you want me to film, do leave it in the comment section down below as well. And I'll attend to that. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.